Hi guys, today I'm finally making my big girl kitchen appliance purchase. Ke tlo reka double door fridge, macro. Budget yaka minimum was 10k, maximum 12,000. So I had two options. It's in Ikidirata, the Samsung double door fridge, le Medea double door fridge. Samsung inisina again, what do you call this? A screen, touch screen. So even though in within my budget, I just didn't like it on a touch screen. Then the Medea in a touch screen, it's big. So I decided to honka the Medea two-door fridge, which features a classic top freezer design, separating your fresh food and frozen items into two spacious compartments. So Kamukhare, it has adjustable shelves, which you can easily customize your storage. It has a large vegetable crisper to keep your fruits and vegetables fresh for longer. It has a low noise compressor as well as a reversible door to fit your kitchen layout. So my fridge got delivered same day, and this is the option I went for. It looks really nice. As you can see, Nikinale a single door fridge. I could replace. And oh, I forgot to mention, it was on promotion. Original price nearly 14,000. And then I got it on sale for 12,000. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.